For those who haven't yet watched my auto-type text color effects with sound Python program example video, I suggest you watch that first, before you try these Python program examples. You will have a better understanding of what is happening throughout these Python program examples, as shown in that video. Don't be a skibidi, learn Python programming, and be lit on God. Autotype input text color effects with sound, Python program example. Created by Joseph C. Richardson, GitHub.com. Please note, after you save your file, you must double-click this file to view its cool colored text effects and layout. Next, create a folder for your typing sound effect wave file and your Python file so they can execute run together. Note, all sound files must be WAV format. Python will not execute run sound files in MP3 format without importing a Python module for that, which I do not have at this moment. Import these 3 Python modules below. Create a tuple variable for all 7 color values, starting at index 0 through index 6. Note, index numbers always start at 0, not 1. Be careful of how you count how many values you have within tuples and lists alike. Create some more variables to make programming less bulky and less code redundant on the programming part. Create another tuple variable for an input function text string value and a clear screen variable that contains the OS value, CLS, to clear the screen output while running the Python program. Place an input function so you can press the enter key to close the Python program when you want to, without it closing right away after it's executed. This is my desktop screen, and where I stored my newly created folder for both the Python file and the WAV sound file. Let's open the folder we created for our Python program example and our WAV sound effects file. Double-click the Python file to execute run our autotype input text color effects Python program example. You can press Ctrl+ and Ctrl- to make the text larger or smaller. Please like and subscribe if you like this video and my channel content about Python programming in general. I am almost a complete walking human computer science research laboratory machine on 2 legs.